I'm here at Costco in Fresno, California, and I'm going to show you all the gift cards that they have on sale right now. Let's go. All right, here we are. We're gonna look at this section right here. First up, we got two $50 gift cards at Dave & Buster's where you get to eat, drink, and play and watch. All right, right next to it, you got Legoland 2 days to do Legoland California and Legoland Water Park. Must be done by October 31st, 2024, and that's $130. We got more theme parks over here. We got Universal Studios Season Pass, 180 days of fun. Look at all this. They got Harry Potter and all that. Get that for $180. Okay, so Costco is selling Southwest Airlines for $500 gift card for $450 right there. All right, if you're a fan of Instacart, here it is for $80. You get a $100 card right there. All right, moving along, DoorDash. They have a bunch of these. Two $50 gift cards equal $100 for $80. Okay, there's Manhattan. Let's see, Manhattan Steakhouse. Two $50 gift cards for $80 right there. Okay, coming around, House of Kebab, $50, two of them for $80. We got 5 Italian restaurant, two $50 gift cards for $80. Famous Dave's has two $50 gift cards, not refundable, $80 right here. This is what it looks like. This place is good though. I love this. All right, Fresno restaurant, two $50 gift cards, not refundable. Here we go. Look at that, pause it, and check out if you like any of those. All right, moving along, we got C's Candy, two $25 gift cards for $38.99. And right next to it, there's Crumble, four $25 gift cards for $79.99. And this place is always fun. Bolero, four $25 gift cards for $80. All right, and the last one here, we got Giants tickets, San Francisco Giants, two tickets, lower level, $100 for that. Here's another section of the store to check out. See you over there.